Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On December 16th of 2019, Kaylo Doe, a senior and team captain for the women's basketball team at the University of Colorado, had been celebrating her 22nd birthday. Kaylo Doe and a friend were walking in the alleyway towards a friend's house when she leaned over because she was not feeling so well. At that time, Officer John Logue had just pulled out of a parking garage when he entered the alleyway without his headlights on and struck Kaylo Doe from behind.
Jesus. What the hell? What was going on? What?
Get up, please.
What happened?
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
Give me under this.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
And give me to Katie's house.
60 Baker and 50 Baker Gold.
I begged you to stop, dude.
Get me under the car.
Please
Okay,
just back your car.
I don't want to move the car right now, man.
I'm okay.
You just ran over it like 3 times. Oh my
No,
god.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Hold me under the car.
Please just get her out of it. Please.
Hold on. We'll get you out of there in just a sec. What hurts right now? Can you move your legs and everything?
Just my legs. I'm okay.
Oh my god, she's CU star basketball player.
I'm okay.
Please, her fingers are bleeding. I'm just begging you to pull her up, please.
I don't want to move her in case she's more injured. Okay.
You just ran over her like 3 times.
What's your name?
Like you ran over human beings.
Just get me to the
Why the would you run over her?
I didn't see her.
I said, sir, stop, and you ran over her 3 times.
It's okay.
I didn't.
You ran your car over this sweet woman 3 times.
Murphy.
No, it's not okay because I saw this man run over you 3 times. You know it's her birthday? I'm sorry. Do you understand why I'm upset?
Yes, absolutely.
I just saw him drive over you 3 times, Q. I'm sorry I'm upset at this,
I didn't know what.
It doesn't matter when you see me saying, sir, pay the attention.
And I stopped.
No, you didn't. You
know
ran
what.
over her 3 times.
Calm down.
I can't calm down because I just saw you drive over my friend 3 times.
Get it.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, it's okay. That's cool with you because you just drove over my friend.
No, it's not okay with me.
Q, it's not okay. He just drove over you with his car. Do you understand that?
I'm alive.
Stop.
52 Henry, on scene was 63 Henry.
Yeah, I know they're here to help.
Oh my god, yo.
God,
Getting out of here.
She was like squatting in the middle of the alley. I was coming out of the garage here. I hadn't even turned my lights on
I'm
yet.
not going home, Q. Your hands are bleeding. This surge just ran
I didn't
over
even
you 3
see her.
times.
And then she's screaming.
Can we
Apparently
get her
she was
up,
under the car.
please?
We're gonna wait until EMS gets here.
Okay, they're coming in coats on. That's them, okay?
Oh my god. I'm gonna start bawling. I have to go with her. Please.
Yeah. Here.
Oh my god. What the just happened?
You want to talk to me right now?
No, I want to stay with my friend. I'm not leaving my friend. No, sir, I'm not leaving my friend. No.
Okay.
I'm
No,
okay.
you just
I'm
ran
okay.
over my friend 3
That's why I'm
times.
trying to talk to you.
No, sorry. Don't trust you guys.
I'm okay.
I just want to stay with my friend. I'm not talking to officers because he just ran over my friend, so I'm not going to talk to people that just fucking ran over my friend. What the
I'm okay.
No, you're not. You need to get my friend out of the fucking car. Please.
You have paramedics now to come in
Oh
from
my
the north.
god.
I'm not sure that I'm
EMS, you guys on the air. Thank you. And 144.
Oh my. I'm going with her, sir.
So they don't let people in the
Well, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to put me officer or arrest me. Okay, well I'll sue the court because if someone comes over my friend, I'm gonna go to court. I'm
Can
sorry.
you guys just take me to
That
the ER,
sucks, my
please?
asshole.
We have an ambulance coming.
If you think I can
I'm just afraid that you're hooked up on something under there, and I don't want to hurt you any worse by moving my car.
Okay, cool. All y'all, no.
Alright, clear. Inlet part of the
No!
No, Murphy.
I'm not leaving my friend. I'm not leaving my
Stand back.
Don't touch me. I'm not leaving my friend. Stop. Don't know her.
Kaylo Doe suffered a concussion and abrasions to her backside, and the accident changed her physically and emotionally. Officer Logue was never given a traffic ticket. His only punishment was a written reprimand from his superiors. The department claimed it only warranted a written reprimand because the officer had not been involved in a preventable accident during the prior 2 years. The officer-involved crash was also not forwarded to the Denver District Attorney's Office for charges because a doctor said Kaylo Doe did not suffer serious bodily injury, but she did go on to sue the department. And 10 days before trial, Kaylo Doe's attorney offered to settle the case for $130,000, but the city of Denver refused, and because they failed to reach a settlement, the case went to jury trial. During jury selection, her lawyer claims that the city of Denver tried to strike a black woman from the jury pool simply because she was black and female like Kaylo Doe. The Denver city attorney denied the claim, but Kaylo Doe's attorney raised what's called a Batson challenge, a legal precedent that prevents prosecutors from excluding a potential juror because of their race, ethnicity, or sex. The juror was kept on after a rare ruling by the judge who sustained the Batson challenge, stating, quote, "I do not find defendants' arguments compelling and persuasive, and do find that they were race-based." The jury awarded Kaylo Doe $522,000, 4 times what she had offered to settle the case for, but the taxpayers won't have to pay more than $387,000 because of Colorado's government immunity cap that applies to government workers, including police officers. Even worse is that Denver hasn't agreed to pay the cap of $387,000 and has instead signaled its plans to appeal the verdict to a higher court after the judge denied the city's motion for a new trial.
Pressure on you down there, like from the car, or what?
She's been saying she's fine. She's asking me to back off her. Seems secure.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.